Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to keep you guys updated about what's going on with Fry's Electronics. I recently visited another store to see how they were doing, but upon that, one of my subscribers informed me that there will be a liquidation sale by Black Friday. So we will follow up with that and keep you guys updated, but for now, enjoy this video. Hey guys, here we are at another Fry's here in San Fernando Valley. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see how poorly this store is performing before they go out of business. See if they have any great deals too. Now this particular Fry's location has the Alice in Wonderland theme. The other one I visited has the movie, UFO, and theme here, and okay. This is, I believe this one's a larger location, and all right, they're a little bit more stocked than the other location, so I'll probably pick up a few things while I'm here. Thank God I didn't place my order online. Hey man, how's it going? Hey, you guys downsizing the store or anything? Because I visited another location and all the racks were empty. You guys have any sales on some stuff? Some good sales? Okay. All right. Well, a lot of us are concerned you guys are going out of business. I mean, let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, I mean, all right, well, here's another empty rack here. And this is probably hard drives. Let me see if I can find me that Thermaltake fan controller while I'm here. Okay, this is all normally stocked. They have hard drives and stuff. Looks barren. Well, of course, all right, at least they have their lights up underneath their marquees and on their displays. Hey, do you guys have hard drives here?
Hard drives? If we do, they're going to be either on AP or AP.
All right, internal or external?
So should be right on this side, and then external should be on this side on the 8.
Okay. Yeah, I went to another location, man. They cleaned you guys out. I haven't seen anything.
Yeah.
All right. Hang in there. Okay. Not too shabby. 89 bucks. At least they actually have some good merchandise on display, but no internal hard drives. Okay, let's see what else we have over here on this side. USB cables. Alright. While I'm doing this video, I'm actually shopping around for a few little odds and ends I needed for my project. Alright. Excuse me. No, sir. What else we got? Bare bone kits. Got computer cases. Okay, at least they're stocked on cases. But again, this is one of the bigger stores. Heat shrink tubing, Jesus. You kidding me? Hope it's something inside. Yeah. Then we have some solder and a wick, super wick. I may need to get some. I have some projects I'm working on. Plus, I need to buy me a new iron. What I have doesn't get hot anymore as much as it used to. Specialty lighting. I do need some RGB lights. I need some for the room, and then also my Thermaltake 900. But I need to make sure that they are the sync capable, the Aurora capable. Yeah, that's not gonna work for me. Okay, well maybe it will. Alright, at least they still have their displays on model, showing customers what they still offer. Okay. This little Alice in Wonderland mushroom there with the caterpillar on top. And network cables, don't need any of that, got plenty. Personal security, you can get your mace or your pepper spray right there. Networking modems, high-speed internet. We'll come back around there and head back. Got your MSI laptops and stuff. Nice display, much better than the other store. I know I didn't do a full walk around of that location, but wasn't really much to show. And we got repeaters for the HDMIs. You got the, and you know what? These are a lot cheaper. You can get HDMI repeaters and splitters online for like $20 to $30, and they sell them here for like $80 to $100. The prices on some of these things are just outrageous. USB card readers, a few other things. You know, the one cool thing about the mod that I'm working on, my PC build with the Thermaltake 900, some people have gone as far as to, instead of using the 2 hard drive bays, they've used the 1 hard drive bay and they use the other slot as a memory card reader. So that's pretty cool, but the only thing is you'd have to take the front glass off every time you want to use it. Or honestly, you can just leave it off if you want. TV, LED stuff, okay. This is where their TVs and stuff would be, and camera accessories. That's their computer ink. So paper, backpacks and stuff. Oh yeah, here we go. Good lord. Mavic Air Series, it's like a portable charger for Mavic. Fast charge, okay. You know what? This whole section, no wonder why this aisle is a lot wider. This used to be where all the gamer chairs and tables were, right here in this section. So I guess those are all gone. I know I've never done a full walkthrough at Fry's before, but I think I have a few video clips I've done in my previous trips. Actually, no. If you guys look at my game room video, I posted a short clip from it. So if you want to have an idea, of it, if you never shopped at a Fry's, you have an idea about what I'm talking about. But other than that, I mean, if you are a Fry's customer, been shopping here over the years, and you know what I'm talking about. All right. Let's see what else they have here. Let's save more. Oh, what's this? Ooh, that might be nice. I could put this inside the thermal tank if I wanted to. That would be really cool. Put an extra monitor inside that case. Oh man, that would really stand out. And then maybe plug a Pi or something into it too. We've got HDMI cables and stuff over here. We also have $29. I don't think that's too bad price, but I'm not seeing any sale prices. No clearance, no nothing. 24. I think all these are just standard prices though. I could probably stay at another optical cable, so I'll take a look around for that later. I was hoping to see if any of those reservoirs would be on sale for the PC water cooling. Now that would be a gold mine to stumble on. Oh, look, you got a bunny rabbit right there. Okay. That's a mobile mini speaker. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Well, it has a broken wheel in it. And okay, you know what? Let's check out the gaming section. You know what? I was at Best Buy a few days ago and went to the register, and surprisingly, they told me that they don't price match many of the stores anymore. I'm not sure if Fry's was one of them. I do know that they no longer price match Newegg and several other locations. So I was kind of wondering why Best Buy started carrying a lot of motherboards and RAM and some of the higher end parts that they wouldn't normally carry in a store. So maybe they know something we don't from a competitive standpoint, because this would be an opportune time for them to capitalize on places that are no longer offering PC components in the store. So that's a very smart business move by them. I mean, I don't know why they did it or if that has anything to do with it, but it would make sense for them to stop price matching a lot of products, since they really don't have much competition anymore. All right, let's head on out. We're gonna walk to the front really quick and then see what else they got left. And I didn't see any consoles or anything over here. Normally they would have some more accessories for Xbox. Okay, we have an end cap here. That's for PlayStation. Xbox stuff. It's kind of tattered. have here SD and micro card readers. Okay. Is that USB-C? Yes, it is USB-C. Yeah, who cares about this section? This is all the cell phone accessories and stuff. Alright, I think that pretty much concludes the visit. I'm gonna walk back over here. Oh, we still got the bikes here, the electrical bikes. All right, guys, this is Keo coming at you from another Fry's location here in the valley. And you know what? I wonder if they're going to sell all this stuff. That'd be cool. They're going to put it in the warehouse. That'd be cool to have for a game room, right? All right, guys, I'm going to take off. You guys have a good day. Catch you guys some other time. I'm going to find out if they still are offering Raspberry Pis or anything in the store. But keep you guys updated. Just wanted to give you guys a quick walk around from another location to see the state that they're in. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.